Hello friends, today we are explaining about our product solder wire feeder model FD100. We have another model FD110. The basic difference in FD100 and 110 is that FD110 comes with the V-cut. V-cut we will explain later in the video. Okay, now we discuss first the feature of this solder wire feeder. The solder wire feeder was designed actually to feed the wire, and wire goes directly on the tip of the solder. Okay, the feature of this feeder is manual means continuous. When you press the button, the wire will continuously feed. But auto means you set the time. That means whatever time you set, the wire will come for that particular time. Speed is how fast you want the wire to be fed, feed. Then there is a function of back. Back is when you want just small touch and then pull back the wire so that tiny solder is required. Or after every operation you want wire should go back. Delay function is there. Delay function is actually used for example, many times when solderer do the soldering, they put the wire. So what happened actually, the flux is not able to work because the wire is put before the equilibrium between lead and the pad. So delay function is used so that the solder wire feeding starts after say 1 second. By within 1 second or half second, you achieve the temperature equilibrium and then wire feeds, so solder joint quality improves. So solder wire feeder actually helps in two ways. One is once the operator is for example, one operator is doing some soldering of some wire on the PCB, he is hold the wire and then he has the soldering iron, but he does not have the solder wire feeding holding the solder wire actually at that time. So solder wire feeder automatically comes over here, and many operations people they take the solder and they bring over here and solder. By this process actually the flux goes off and flux work is not done during the soldering. So, and some people they prefer actually solder wire feeder system so that wire quality is controlled and the equilibrium comes, joints should be good for those purpose actually they use the solder wire feeder. This solder wire feeder actually can be configured with the Goog soldering station series RX711AS. RX711AS is a conventional way old technology where tip heater sensor was separate and bit slow but durable system. And RX802AS also can be used. RX802 or RX8 series of boot is actually the new technology where the efficiency of the operator increase because the station has some special feature that we will explain in other video. Thank you.